Keetins. In this video, you will learn how to make a kitty chomper. For this project, you will need cardboard, some pens, brads, orange paint and a paintbrush, and scissors. First, cut one piece of cardboard into 6 strips. Then, take a push pin and poke 3 holes in all the pieces of cardboard, one at the end, one in the middle, and one at the other end. Then make 3 cardboard X's by putting a brad through the middle hole in each piece. Then connect them by putting a brad into each end of them. Then put 2 pieces of cardboard together and sketch a cat head with the top part and the bottom jaw. Then cut it out. After you have cut out your cat pieces, take your orange paint and paint them. After the paint has dried, color the ears, nose, and teeth, and you can also draw an eye and some whiskers. Once you have finished coloring and drawing, take your pen again and poke a hole right here. Also poke a hole right here. Then take your base and line up the head with the hole. Push a brad through the hole and fold the ends down. Do the same with the other part. Pull the handles at the end out to make your cat open wide, then squeeze them together to close its mouth.